Welcome to this video on the Wild Air Paracord Fid and Lacing Needles Kit. This is a unique collection of tools for doing leather work or knot tying, any kind of cord work, stuff like that. You got a storage tube down the middle of that if you need it. Sometimes you can fit the smaller fids in there if you want to store them. It does unscrew from the back as well. But this fid is great for getting knots out of really bound up cordage. It's a great way to manipulate cords when you need to. This one is really handy if you need to do some heat forming or even doing some leather work. This could be a really handy tool for both tracing lines in leather and also smoothing out with this end. You could do the same with your cordage as well, paracord or lace or anything. And then you get several different sizes of fid as well. This one is for really small diameter paracord. This one is for the more normal 550 cord. And this one you can use, it's got a flat lead on it, and it's pretty handy too. It's kind of the same size as the big one, but anyway, these are going to be really handy for paracord. These are going to be handy for, this one's going to be handy for a smaller cord. And then this is just a regular leather or sail needle as well. So lots of good functionality in this little kit for the money, and it's going to come in pretty handy and help you out with your paracord or leathercraft or other cord related projects. Thanks for watching.